Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a fish tank in Minecraft. First, you will need to gather your materials. Collect at least 20 glass blocks, 1 bucket of water, and 1 bucket containing a fish. Begin by deciding on your tank size. A simple 3x3x3 cube is a great start. Place your glass blocks to form the outer shell, leaving the top open for now. This forms the basic structure for your aquatic display. Now that your tank structure is complete, it is time to add the water. Use your water bucket to fill every single block space within the glass enclosure. It is crucial that each block becomes a water source block to prevent currents and ensure your fish can swim freely. Once the tank is full, carefully release your fish from its bucket into its new home. Watch them swim around. To make your fish tank truly stand out, consider adding some decorations. Sea pickles are excellent for subtle underwater lighting, or you could use glowstone for a brighter effect. Introduce various coral blocks and sea grass to mimic a natural ocean environment. You might also place a layer of sand or gravel on the bottom for a more finished look. These details make a big difference. Maintaining your fish tank is simple. Just ensure your fish have plenty of space. If you wish to expand, simply add more glass blocks to enlarge the structure, then fill the new sections with water. You can always add more fish or decorations as your tank grows. Regularly observe your aquatic friends to ensure they are thriving in their custom-built home. Enjoy your beautiful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.